Welcome guys, I'm Steven. So I was down at YouTube the last week just watching these AI trading bot reviews, and man, it's mostly just clickbait trash. You've got people hyping up platforms that literally look like scam websites from 2015. And then there's channels that clearly never even use the bot. They're just copy-pasting descriptions and calling it a tutorial. It drives me crazy because newcomers are watching this stuff thinking it's legit advice, when it's basically just paid promotions disguised as reviews. So I decided to make this video, showing you the actual platform I've been using personally for 4 years now, through bull markets, bear markets, all of it. And yeah, after testing out various platforms over time, I committed to Smartbot. It's what I've trusted as my primary AI bot for a while now. This platform's built credibility through dependable tech, current AI models integration, non-custodial architecture, plus they've maintained a strong presence consistently. All right, cool. So I'm typing in tradesmart.bot here, so the app's loading up. First thing I gotta do is authenticate myself. Taking care of that now, shouldn't take long, and there we go. That shows I'm logged in. So moving on, I'm choosing my preset. There are safe, optimal, and aggressive available. This controls how aggressively the AI bot operates, my risk exposure, potential returns, and how much capital is required. Platforms recommending optimal for me, though I only ran that initially. Really just pick whatever matches your risk appetite. Okay, so then I'm selecting the AI neural network, basically which AI engine handles everything. And based on my experience, auto-select is genuinely the optimal move. The platform consistently selects the best one, and I honestly can't recall ever needing to manually adjust it. So next up is investment amount, just whatever sum you're comfortable allocating to the trading session. After that comes network selection, depends on current congestion and transaction costs, so I'll choose the cheaper fee option or just stick with auto-select. And final thing, click Start AI, and that kicks off the whole process. At this point, I'm just watching it work, so I'll speed up this section for demonstration. All right, nice. Couple minutes have passed and I've gone ahead and stopped the session, and here's the full breakdown. My total balance, profit generated, number of trades executed, win rate percentage, and session duration. Plus, the console window up here displays a complete log of every action the AI performed throughout. So yeah, hopefully this gave you clarity on how legitimate and powerful this technology actually is, especially in 2026. Okay, so let me tell you why this app is genuinely game-changing compared to all that junk being promoted out there. First off, the simplicity is unmatched. I'm not sitting here tweaking dozens of settings or watching tutorial after tutorial just to understand the interface. I select a preset, input my amount, hit start, done. So many platforms overcomplicate everything intentionally to look more advanced, but honestly, this just delivers results without the headache. Second, it's non-custodial, meaning my assets never leave my wallet. I'm not transferring funds to some third-party service and crossing my fingers they're still around tomorrow. Those sketchy bots you see in YouTube ads, half of them require deposits into their custody. That's an instant nope. And here I've got full control from start to finish. And honestly, the consistency is what sold me long term. Manual trading is emotional. You make a few bad trades, you start doubting yourself, maybe you revenge trade trying to recover losses. AI doesn't have those problems. It sticks to the strategy, manages risk properly, and when you're hitting 70 to 90% win rates consistently, you realize this isn't just hype, it's a tool that genuinely works. So yeah, the link is down in the description and I'll pin it in the comments too. Definitely worth exploring if you're serious about improving your trading results. Appreciate you watching, and see ya!